Welcome to Paintless Dent Repair, Colorado Springs, Colorado. If you need a dent repaired or have auto hail damage, you need to contact us for your Paintless Dent Repair, PDR. We can get you the best price on dent removal in Colorado Springs, Colorado. We partner with Paintless Dent Repair shops in and around your area to get you the best price. Our shops can repair car door dings, bumper dents, fender dents, trunk dents, hail damage, and more. Contact us today and we will get you in touch with the best auto body shops in town. You will receive a free paintless dent repair estimate and sometimes even a loaner car. Don't want to leave your house? No problem. Our PDR shops can do mobile dent removal. Remember, we will get you the best price for paintless dent repair in Colorado Springs, Colorado. Our dent services include car dents, door dings, bumper dents, fender dents, mobile dents, auto hail damage repair, free dent estimation, collision repair, paint repair, scratch repair, detailing, ceramic coating, window tinting. Pay your deductible. Not every shop can perform all services, but we will try our best to get you the best price. In some cases, the auto body shop can pay your insurance company deductible. If you need a dent repaired or have auto hail damage, give us a call today. We'll get you the best price on paintless dent repair in Colorado Springs, Colorado, and we can also help with other problems like car door dings, bumper dents, fender dents, and trunk dents to make your vehicle look like new again. Contact us for your free estimate today. Common questions about PDR. What is paintless dent repair? PDR is an innovative process that allows for the removal of minor surface panel damage without any painting or other vehicle modifications. This technique, often referred to as paintless dent removal, preserves a car's original paint finish and can be performed by certified technicians who have experience with this specialized skill set. Paintless dent repair involves using special tools designed to massage out imperfections on panels behind the visible surfaces in order to preserve your car's original look while still getting rid of dents from it, all without having to use traditional methods like sanding down, cutting away excess material around damaged areas, and then premiering before applying paint again, which could take hours depending on how large the area being repaired was. If you want to learn more about the repair process and get answers, make sure to read this PDR process conda post. You will learn which PDR techniques work and which ones don't. How much does paintless dent repair cost? Painting and refinishing can be costly to your wallet. Paint is expensive, as are labor costs for painting vehicles. If you're looking for a cheaper option without the high cost of paint or labor, then consider PDR, paintless dent repair. It's not only time saving, but it also saves on both money and frustration that come from car damage due to accidents, etc. The cost of paintless dent removal will vary based on the severity and location of any issues. On average, door dings usually come with a price tag that ranges between $50 to $125 depending on their size. The larger dents that are caused by collision often have an estimated quote in between $150 and $350 for repairs, while getting your car fixed up again at our shop is possible through insurance coverage if you've got it. Why choose our shops in Colorado Springs, CO? Our paintless dent repair company has some of the best technicians in the field. You can count on them to fix any minor dents and dings with a high level of manual labor skills, but it's not just about how much they know, it also depends where you live. Nobody knows PDR better than our team though. Whether or not we'll be able to repair your dent is dependent largely on its size, location, and extent. We're confident that even if one factor isn't favorable by itself for us, we have plenty more tricks up our sleeve.